Hi, this is Steven. So, it's Thursday and karoon ni Dato Buwaldo. Limpyo og kwarto kay hugaw na siya. Bago ako na human og work actually. So, ligo ta kwarto.
Did you bother to draw the curtain?
Hindi na ako magpagupit yun.
And if you did,
Gusto ka nga vlog. Uy, bara magulay ano? Presents. Kaling nga vlog no. Sige, pakyut.
did
Okay.
you
Ano
laugh
yung buka?
over cold
Kanya, ano ako sa atos. Pagbait na ako, ikapit na ako. May fire
that you
food.
hate but still
Bong.
drank
Maybe my
anyway?
haircut na guys. Luto with me.
Did
Luto
you
with Steven.
get past
Garang
the
mo.
walls? Did
Lutos
you
ako.
see through them all? And if you didn't,
Mano na ako
these
kidrama
to
and then matulog na ako
hope to
kay
someday.
so yung kaya mo shooting ugma is ano 8:30 sa buntag.
If I just did,
Morning mag-edit then luto kaon
but
colon day
also be easy.
send screenshot ta and then
She
balanji
wasn't your last.
i-edit karon and all so hindi ang gawas legit ang kaya sa gawas
Did
maglungag
you
ako
like
and then
her?
mag-edit ko at the same time
Did all the
mag-edit ako para
pretend
makuha ng lungag ko
again?
nakakaon ako
Was she weightless in just your sweater? And does it feel heavy now to look at me instead?
akong portahan
Your hands find her
Well,
waist when she
muling
got
pinaka-shadows na
fly.
ang portahan
After just a few Manhattans in Berlin, would you kiss her goodnight? Would you walk her inside? Did you hope the nights would never ever end? And again, I know it'd be easier if I just did